Alright. We're back for a new video. Thanks for joining me. Guess what? We get to have a little time lapse of me painting some 2x6s again. But yeah, these are gonna be for almost the entire front half of the deck. By the way, I did not cut my hair again. It is in a French braid. I don't know how well it looks because I didn't use a mirror, but it's out of the way. So it's too hot for a hat today. I have been wearing my freaking boggin. That's what we call it in Kentucky. I've been wearing my boggin like every day, I swear, for the past like 2 or 3 weeks. I'm pretty sure every video in the vlog was pretty much me wearing that hat. But anyway, French braid today. But yeah, I'm about to get started with that, and hopefully we can get them up on the roof today so that I can start screwing them in. It's 2 coats, so hopefully they dry pretty quick. Alright, I got them all painted and everything. I'm getting ready to carry them all over here and then actually go ahead and cut some of the length off. So I waited to paint the ends until I cut them. I remeasured. I'm going to go 7 foot 10 inches. That way it doesn't go past the width of the bust, just for a little bit extra stability, you know. So yeah, I'm going to go get the table saw, set that up, and start carrying the wood over here. All 18 are cut and ready to be put up on the roof. So I got about an hour before Larry gets back, and she's gonna pass these up to me so that way I don't have to try to carry them up the ladder. So I'm gonna take advantage of this time right now and go get some food. The last piece of wood. I broke the light off. Woo! It's tomorrow's project, though.
Yeah, at least they're up for tomorrow.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So, I woke up with a splitting migraine this morning. The plan was to get up same time, like around 6:30 or so, and then, take the girls on a walk, have some coffee, take some girls on a walk, all that stuff. It's still lingering a little bit right now, but it's already like almost after 9, and it's just now starting to get better. So I'm going to finish up my coffee and then take the girls on a walk. I do have a tattoo appointment today at like 4:30. So hopefully this is completely gone and I can get enough energy to get up on the roof and attach the deck boards to it. Yes, I know. We're getting ready to go after I finish my coffee. Okay? After I finish my coffee. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get off here so I can finish this coffee and take them for a walk because Rogue's getting anxious. Good morning, everybody. So, yesterday the migraine took up a lot of my day before I had to go into my appointment. Then when the migraine finally went away, it was almost time to leave. And, I just felt cruddy, And it's important to always, listen to your body. If your body's having a hard time, take a break. And I had to learn that because I was pushing myself a lot because I was like, I want to get this done. I need to get this done. You know what I mean? Like I had a deadline and I don't have a deadline. I gave that to myself. So I learned to step back and be like, okay, I'm having a hard time. I'm gonna take a break. My body needs a break. So I did that yesterday. And today I'm ready to get started screwing it. Audrey, she's hanging out the window. Don't do that. But yeah, I'm getting ready to hop up on the deck. I've got another hour or two before the wind's going to start picking up, so I'm going to get as much done as I can. And hope it's only supposed to get to 15 miles per hour today. But hopefully it's not too bad up there and I can get it all done today. I just hear it moving stuff around. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So here's the first two. So you can see the gap in between. The wind is picking up. But yeah, I'm going to keep doing the rest of it. Hey, just a quick little insert here. The spacers that I'm using is actually cardboard. I folded it in half and then put some aluminum tape around there, so it's exactly a 1/4 inch thick. But yeah, just letting you know what I use. I really need to start planning ahead a little bit and making sure that I recharge my batteries because once again I got in the groove and the battery flipping died on me. What's that? I'm back on the roof. The battery is charged. Let's do this. All right, so it's probably about a third of the bus that the roof deck is done on, and it feels so great to have some of that up right now. I'm so stoked. So the reason I wanted to at least get that part done is because that's where I'm gonna be putting my solar panels. It's starting to get a lot warmer, and I want to be able to run my max fans at least. So yeah, that's why I did at least that part. You know, wood's expensive right now, so I'm going to do a little bit at a time until the whole thing's done. But in the meanwhile, I'm also going to be doing other little projects. So yeah, that part's done. I'm super excited about it. That's where we're going to end it on this week's vlog. You know, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Maybe hit that bell so you get the notification. But I'm going to be posting every Sunday. And I'm so excited. I've been wanting to get to this point for a minute. So thanks so much, and I will see you on Sunday.